What's up guys, this is PacoMNL, back with another video. Today I have a couple of cool things to show you guys. The Intel Compute Card together with the Intel Compute Dock. Just what exactly are these things anyway? Watch this video to find out. Intel drastically changed the miniature PC market through the introduction of the Intel Compute Stick and x86-based processors, making Windows available as an operating system for the miniature PC platform. Keep in mind that Intel's largest target market turned out to be businesses rather than consumers and gamers, with digital signage and kiosks making up a huge part of the market. With this, Intel has introduced the Intel Compute Card. Curiously, the plain, serious-looking box immediately gives off the idea that the product is not largely intended for consumer use. They've released 4 versions of the Compute Card so far, and unlike the Intel Compute Stick, the Compute Card packs some decent amount of power with each card, having a different processor and higher-end options having larger storage space and more RAM. The Intel Compute Card is a fully functional PC the size of a credit card. Yup, this thing is for real. The Compute Card is available in Celeron, Pentium, Core M3, and Core i5 flavors, with up to 128GB of SSD storage, 8GB of LPDDR3 RAM at 1866MHz, and Intel HD graphics. All variants come with Intel dual-band Wi-Fi and support for DisplayPort 1.2 and HDMI 1.4b. The one I have in my hands right now is the CD1 P64GK model with a Pentium processor. The Pentium processor is an N4200 quad-core processor, clocked at 2.5 GHz. It has 64GB of SSD storage, Intel HD graphics, and 4GB of DDR3 at 1866MHz. This unit retails for $180. The model name and specifications can be spotted at the back of the device. These new compute cards are different from compute sticks in that they are no longer standalone mini computers, but dependent on a dock. The card has a really tiny footprint that is only slightly larger than a standard credit card. On one end of the compute card, you'll find a Type-C compliant segment and an extended segment. The Type-C segment supports all Type-C connections including video with audio and USB. The extended segment, on the other hand, supports audio, video, USB, and PCIe. As you might have imagined, the compute cards get hot during heavy load, so it utilizes the compute dock for cooling. The compute card dock has 3 USB 3.0 inputs, 1 in front and 2 at the back, 1 gigabit LAN support, HDMI and mini DisplayPort, a cooling fan built in, and a VESA mounting bracket if you decide to mount the dock behind your monitor. The dock retails for around $110. Through the use of the compute dock, you can use your compute card as a regular super portable PC. The dock comes with a small 19-volt power brick with a range of international plug adapters and a 2-meter power cable. After connecting your peripherals, all you need to do is slide the card into the dock, ensuring it's firmly in place. The card can be removed using the eject button, which only works when the dock is powered on. Depending on the BIOS setting, the card will either boot right off the bat or only after the power button is pressed. The Compute Card does not come with any OS installed, so I installed Windows 10 to be able to see how the card performs in a home environment for day-to-day computing and home entertainment use. Due to the decent specifications and components of the Compute Card, I've had an enjoyable experience consuming videos on the internet, doing clerical work, and I'm sure it's even capable of doing some light gaming since it has a Pentium N4200 quad-core processor, 4GB of DDR3 RAM, and Intel HD graphics. The card with a dock works really well, and the performance is on par or even better than equivalent miniature PCs. Think of it as a notebook or a laptop that isn't as powerful. So if you're looking for the sleekest mini PC solution with a decent amount of horsepower for multimedia consumption and daily tasks, the Intel Compute Card with dock is an excellent choice. Not to mention the higher end offerings equipped with an Intel Core i5, it can even be capable of doing some light gaming. The Compute Card comes with a 3-year warranty, and the dock on the other hand has only 1-year warranty. Regular BIOS updates and driver enhancements are also available on Intel's website, so rest assured this product has great support from Intel. With more and more mini PC solutions coming out left and right, only time will tell if the Compute Card will gain popularity in the consumer market. Assuming manufacturers will create devices that will utilize these compute cards at competitive price points, this product has a bright future ahead of it. There you have it guys, my quick video overview of the Intel Compute Card and dock. Hope you found this video to be informative, and as always, I'm your host, PacoMNL. I'll catch you in a future video.